Hello dear student, today I will tell you how to write informal letter. Informal letter is usually to write relatives and friends. आप इसे किसी relatives को लिखते हो, friends को लिखते हो, that letter is called informal letter. In informal letter, what all you have to keep it in your mind. See, at first what you will do, whenever you are writing anything, letter, answers or whatever, it is necessary to keep the margin line. Margin line, as you have seen that always I am keeping the margin line in all the notebook. So in letter also, in application also, everywhere keep margin line. It looks nice. And first, it in the informal letter you can write your own address on the top left corner. You can write your own address in the top left corner, and you can omit also. This is not compulsory to write your own address. You can omit it also, but if you will write, then it will give the nice impression. So I will suggest you to write your own address in the top left margin. After that, date is compulsory. Date is very important to write in any letter. It is necessary to write the date, and just after the address, leave one line and write date. And after that, you can start your letter with the salutation to whom you are writing. Similarly, you place dear, lovingly, or any words which you think that it will be suitable for the person. You can use that word to salute it. So in the beginning, you can begin with the words, and you write the name to whom you are writing. After that, you can start your letter, as you can ask you ask or write about the health or your last letter or anything, some information you will write here in the top. In the body, you give the detail on which about the topic for why you are writing the letter. आप letter किस लिए लिख रहे हो, that detail you will give in the middle part of the letter. And one more thing, that there is no need to write the address of the person whom you are sending. Like receiver's address, no need to write on the top, need not to write on the top. In the body, you can use informal languages. You can use any informal language. आप जिस तरह से बात करते हो, you can write that language in the letter, in informal letter. And at the time of closing, you can write the subscription. You will give the subscription, like your lovingly, your dearly, anything subscription you can write. And here you will write your signature, means your name you will write, like your sweet friend, your loving friend, or your loving son. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो इसमें here. And after, at the end, you put your signature here. This is the way to write a informal letter. And now application is also very important. Application is a formal letter. In a formal letter, how you are writing, many times you have written the application. The format is same for all the application. First, you will keep the margin line. This is the essential part of a letter application. Margin line you will keep. And one more thing very important, you complete your application in one page. This application will take the long page. In your notebook, you may take the second page also to complete it, but in the exam you are getting the long exercise notebook paper. In long paper, you will complete your application in one page. एक ही पेज में application को complete करना है. Start भी करना है उसी पेज में और end भी करना है उसी पेज में. इन द नोटबुक में आपको शायद दूसरे पेज में कंटिन्यू करना पड़ जाए इस एप्लीकेशन को. सो नो वरी फॉर दैट. You can continue the second page for this application in your notebook, but keep it in your mind that you will not continue the second page in examination. In examination, you will complete your application in one page only, because in examination you are getting the long page. So here with addressing the principal, because this application you have to write to your principal. So this application you will start like this: application in the name of the school, to principal, name of the school, then date, then the subject. Very important, subject you will write clearly what the subject is, to whom, why you are writing the application. And after that you will start: respected ma'am or respected sir, whoever your principal. After that, a polite way, in a polite way you will begin the application. एप्लीकेशन को बहुत ही पोलाइट वे में स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. सो यू विल स्टार्ट योर एप्लीकेशन पोलाइटली. हेयर आई मीन्स योर नेम. यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम इन दिस blank, and in the first you will give some information about yourselves and the topic, and in the second you will write the descriptions of the application. At the end, politely you will close the application. Here here you will write this thanking you yours sincerely, and here your name. यहाँ अपना नाम लिखना है, class, section, roll number. Section I have given B. It doesn't mean that everyone will have to write section B only. You can write section A. Whatever section is your, you will write that section. So this is the application and letter. Today I taught you. Now you have your application, you have your letter, you got your essay also. So dear student, today we are completing our first term syllabus. So all the best everyone. I hope you all must have started to learn all the exercises, all the chapters properly. Dear student, do the best. Thank you. Best of luck. Take care of yourself.